In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken halang-halang recipe. These are the utensils that we're going to use. In order to prepare this recipe, we need these following ingredients. First, put the oil in the pan. Next, add the garlic and wait it for until it became golden brown. Then add the onion, the cayenne pepper, and the ginger. Put the half kilo of chicken, then wait for a few minutes so that the ingredients will mix it up in the chicken. After that, put a soy sauce and 1 glass of water, mix it again, and then leave it for 10 minutes so that our chicken will be fully cooked.
A few moments later.
Now, we will be putting some seasonings and add some spices on our recipe. Mix it well and then leave it again for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Then, our recipe is ready to serve.